Yo, what up, it's Smiles, and I'm here with the new video. Today we're gonna do how to make Gqom for absolute beginners. So if you're an absolute beginner, this is for you. I'm going in detail about the kicks, how the kicks should be, the snares, the drums, and like the melody wise. So this video is not gonna be too long, probably gonna be like 8 minutes, 9 minutes. So just hang with me for a bit. But I already got the instruments and the samples on already. Let's get into it. So this is the kick, right? The kick, what you always want to do, the kick is always going to be bam, 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 bam. I'm not going to show you. It's like bam, 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 bam. So we're going to lay that out like it's the 1, then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, and then 2. You feel me? Let's get it. Alright. And then what you want to do with your snares is, you see the last 3 and the bum, 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 bum. You want to place your snares on that. Bum, 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 bum. Your snares is going on there. You just can't copy it because this is also a snare. Then you want to add a vox to it. The vox is always going to be 2. From the beginning it's 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. And this is added like that. And then what you want to do, I always use this in lead as like a background noise, and it doesn't sound like plain. You just have to find like a key. Okay, we use it. And then you want to get the toms. It's like a build up. The back. What you want to do is add a melody to it. I don't know what this is called, but I always use it. This is also in the pattern of like the vox, whatever. You're gonna lay on the keys in here, right? So how I laid out the boxes, you lay this out the same. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 3 again, 3, 3. And you can just copy it on. This is just a simple beat, guys. You can add whatever you like, but Okay, that's it, guys. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. Or at least think of it. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, check it out.